Hi, I am Nishtha and today we are back with another video of Odoo Multi-Vendor Marketplace. In our previous video, you have seen how you can do the configuration settings as per the requirement. And today in this video, we'll check how we can do the seller onboarding. That means how you can become a seller on the marketplace platform. So what to wait? Let's dive in. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. So here, as you can see, we are on the backend and today we'll have to discuss how you can register yourself as a seller. So we'll click on this open a marketplace store and here you have to write down your details like email and then you have to enter the name, confirm password, then select your country from there. And here you have to write down the profile URL. Then you have to click on this accept terms and conditions and click on sign up. There you have registered and now you have to take the approval from the admin as well. So for that you have to click on this request for approval. As you click on this request for approval, there will be a request approval at the admin end. So we're going to log in as an admin so that we can approve this request for this. Here we have to write down the credentials for the admin. Then click on login. There on the left hand side there is the option of home menu. Click on this and then go to seller dashboard. Navigate towards the sellers option. And here you can see that there is a name of the Peter Doe from which we have recently made a seller ID. So here the admin can approve or deny the request from there. Just click on this approve and the request has been approved. Now again moving back to our seller dashboard. Here we have to refresh this page. As soon as we refresh, you can see it has been converted as request for payment. That means the seller's request as a seller, the admin have approved and now the seller can request for the payment from the admin as well. So now we'll check the seller's dashboard. Just click on the seller dashboard and from there you can check the dashboard like marketplace products, marketplace orders, seller's payments, marketplace stocks. Once you use this seller dashboard, you can be able to check the details on this dashboard. Now the next option is sellers. In the sellers, you can check the my profile option and from there you can check your profile details. Now let me show you how we can check the sellers list if we want. So for that, navigate towards the website option from there and on the bottom side you can see the list of sellers is available. Just click on this sellers list option. And from there you can check the list of the sellers which are there on the marketplace, like their names, details, and each and every single detail you can check of the sellers from there. This is how you can also create a seller and can register yourself and can manage the seller's dashboard. In the same way, you can also register yourself and become a seller. Stay tuned for our next video of Odoo Multi-Vendor Marketplace, in which we'll check how you can manage the product at seller end. Got a question for this? Reach us at support@webpool.com or raise a ticket at webpool.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next one. Till then, stay tuned.